Hi friends, it's Stephy and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I do my makeup for my Booette cosplay. Before we get started, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at StephyBlueBear. The first thing that I use is the Elizavecca Green Piggy Collagen Jella pack, and I apply that to my skin and rub it into my face to moisturize it before I put my makeup on. Next, I use the eyebrow powder from the brand Palladio in the color brown. After brushing my eyebrow hairs with the end of a spoolie, I just trace my eyebrows and fill it in. Next, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and dabbing a little bit of that underneath my eyebrows. I'm using a brush to blend that out, and then I go ahead and use my fingers to blend that out a little bit more. Next thing I do is I take these Sweety Crazy Lens Zombie Red eye contact lenses that I got from Uniqso, and I apply that to my eyeballs. It makes my eyes slightly bigger, and I love the shade of red for Boosette. I'm going back in with that Too Faced concealer and dabbing some on my eyelids to use as a primer, and I'm using my fingers just to blend it out. The palette that I use for this tutorial is the Colourpop Smoke Show, or now renamed Blowin Smoke palette. The first color that I use is this light gray color called Stone Face, and I apply that to my crease as a transition color. Next, I take this darker gray color called Slated and also apply that to my crease. And blend those colors together. The next color I use is this black color called Let's Do It, and I use a small pencil brush to apply that to my outer V and a tiny bit to my crease. Now take your time to blend out that black color. The next color I'm using is this shimmery silver color called Starstruck, and I'm applying that to my eyelid. I'm adding a little bit of black back to my eyelid because I kind of lost it. Now I'm blending all of those colors together to make sure it looks nice and neat. Now I'm taking this white color in the name Young Love and applying that to my brow bone to highlight. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the color Buff Bisque and applying that all over my face, and I'm blending that out with a beauty blender. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and applying that under my eyes and using a beauty blender to blend. Now I'm taking the Spun loose face powder and applying that all over my face. I'm going back into the palette and using that dark gray color Slated and applying that to my outer lash line. I also took that black color and applied it over the dark gray, but I didn't show myself doing that, but I did, and then I blend everything out. Next, I'm taking that white color in Young Love and using a small angled brush to apply that color onto my waterline. I'm also taking that same color and applying it to my lash line to highlight. I'm using the NYX matte liquid eyeliner to do my eyeliner. Now I curl my eyelashes and use the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. The next thing that I do is I apply these really cute kawaii eyelashes I got off of eBay. I don't know what the name is because they're an eBay brand, but they're really cute. You can try and find these brands at anywhere like Nordstrom Rack or Sally's Beauty Store. I decided to use these eyelashes because Boosette is like a cute Lolita version of Boosette. Next, I'm using the Pirates of the Caribbean LORAC face palette, and I'm using the color Lost Soul to contour my face. I'm going into the Lime Crime Angel highlight palette and using the color Halo to highlight. For my lips, I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color San Paulo. The last thing that I do is I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to lock in all of my makeup. And this is the completed look with the cosplay. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. As always, all of the products that I use in this video will be in the description down below. There is also a playlist with all of my COS and Con videos, which will also be in the description if you guys would like that. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And until next time, bye!